Good morning. Here I've got a strong hive from which I'm going to steal two frames. One will be a frame of brood covered with bees to add to a weak nuke. That nuke is on the right hand side of the screen down below where you can see. The second will be just a frame of nectar with a little bit of honey, which I'm going to add to the strong nuke, which is right in front of us.
Got the smoker popping in quite well now. Ready to do our inspection. Steel frame of honey to go to our hive. And a frame of bees go to a second hive.
The first thing I'll do upon opening the hive is to remove a frame from one end so there'll be more room, more space to manipulate the other frames in the hive. This helps to prevent crushing bees and certainly helps to save the life of the queen when you're moving other frames. You may notice some cuts, like one that's coming up right here. I've picked the frame up to hold it with the sun behind me so I can verify that there's no queen on the frame. I don't want to set a frame that has a queen on it outside the hive. I'm also holding it with the sun behind me, shining into the cells so I can see if there are eggs or larvae in the comb. Aha, I hear you say. That's a drone comb, the green frame. Yes, it is. However, when you use foundationless frames, as you'll see next here, the bees don't use the drone comb to raise drones, they just put honey in it. Speaking of foundationless frame, here's one where they are currently festooning and drawing comb.
This next frame is full of bees.
This next frame is exactly what I'm looking for. It's full of brood and covered with bees. What I'm going to do is pull it out, spray it with 1:1 sugar syrup to keep the bees from flying and also to help them get accepted by the nuke hive that I'm going to put this comb into.
To make these bees a little sweeter for the other hive, spraying with sugar water. Take a real close look, make sure the queen's out in here. A lot of unkept larvae there.
And now I'll take that frame of brood and bees just as it is and put it right in the weak nuke that needs some help. The key here is that the bees I'm introducing are covered with sugar syrup, which will help them to be accepted by the weak hive I'm putting it into. And one bee decided to take a break from her busy schedule and lie along on the shoulder for a little bit. The nucleus hive that I've just opened up, which is right below the camera, is a very strong hive. However, it has no stores, which makes it a bit nervous this late in the year. So I'm going to take a single frame out of the strong hive, remove all the bees from it, and just put it alone into the weak hive. The single frame with the most honey on it in this hive is the green one. So you'll see me knock it twice to get as many bees as possible off it. If there's only just a few bees left on it, I don't need to worry about it. I can move it right into the hive where I want to add more stores. What I'm doing here with the smoker is actually putting a cloud of smoke up around myself because I'm getting buzzed by a few slightly irritated bees. It's not bad, but just enough. And doing that, making a cloud, seems to pretty much always calm them down enough to where it's not a problem. And now I'm just going to continue an inspection of the large hive as long as I got it open. I'm not going to go into the lower box, but I'll go in the upper, make sure she's still got enough brood. See if I can find the queen for you.
Nice.
And I found the queen. She's a survivor queen from Carpenter's Apiaries in Florida. And she's painted green for this year because she was just introduced this spring.
It's always good to confirm that she's here. Marked Survivor Queen, as I recall, this year. Doing very well. Happy to see her. There's a good mixed brood in stores. Lots of brood. Lots of brood. Really strong hive here. Kept honey completely. Really honey. And I see all the honey. Alrighty then. That's all I needed. And we're done.
Thank you for watching Trinity Beekeep Productions. Please let me know if there's anything you'd like me to cover or questions you have.